up in gold, then the brown line rolls in. Turquoise in the morning turns heavy by noon again. Tour boats wait at the edge, kids look out and sigh. Year round on the tide, it never really leaves. The beach is our heartbeat and the sand still has to breathe. Estefania, hear the shore. Playa del Carmen. The answer waits offshore. Playa del Carmen. Set the barriers right, set the boats to work, bring the sea back bright. Straight lines break apart, then the days keep slipping by. Mats of sargassum gather, and the cleanups chase the sky. Sand leaves in the machines, erosion takes its share. If the line can hold for 48 to 72, then every trail it turns and the work keeps moving through. Estefania, hear the shore. Playa del Carmen. The answer waits offshore. Playa del Carmen. Set the barriers right, set the boats to work, bring the sea
Se convierte en arena.
Watch me turn this sargassum into sand.
2 trailers, 1 boat.
We are going to solve this
One
problem.
fills, 1 goes.
Only a few miles left to
Anchored
go.
every 25 in a curve that knows how to hold the tide, how to save the beach, how to keep the promise right